Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a Nissan LEAF home EVSE with NissanConnect setup, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary tools and components for the installation. Ensure you have your Nissan LEAF, an electric vehicle supply equipment or EVSE unit, and a reliable internet connection. Select a suitable location for your EVSE, ideally near your parking area and a power source. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker before beginning any electrical work. Mount the EVSE unit on the wall, ensuring it is securely attached and aligned according to manufacturer's specifications. Connect the power supply wires from the EVSE to the corresponding circuit breaker in your Make sure the ground wire is properly connected to avoid any electrical issues. After securing all connections, turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. Now, plug the EVSE into the power outlet and look for indicator lights to confirm it is functioning properly. Next, download and install the NissanConnect app on your smartphone. Create or log into your NissanConnect account. In the app, select Add Vehicle and enter your Nissan LEAF's VIN number to link it. Follow the prompts to set up your vehicle with the app, ensuring it is connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Once connected, navigate to the settings within the app to configure your EVSE. Set your charging preferences and schedule based on your needs. Test the EVSE by plugging in your Nissan LEAF and monitoring the app for charging status. Ensure everything is functioning smoothly before concluding your installation. You've now successfully installed your Nissan LEAF home EVSE and set up NissanConnect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.